Learn your numbers. The number 5. That's the number 5. Now watch. The number 5 is going to turn into a robot. This is the gloved one speaking. Robot time. Robot. It's turning into a robot. 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 It's coming to you. The number 5 is now a robot. Robot time. This is one of the great toys I got over at the Great Lake Store. The Lake Store. Number 5 is now a robot. The robot's over there. And now we have the number 4 comes in. Number 4. Number 4 is going to turn into a robot. Robot time. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Number 4. It's now a robot. It's gonna go with number 5. Number 5 is a robot. And number 4 is a robot. Now, we are the robots. 5 and 4 are now robots. Now transform. They're going to transform back. Number 5 is going to transform back. And it's number 5 again. 5. And it's going to transform back into number 4. Number 4 is transformed back, and you have number 5 and number 4. That looks like 54. 5, 4, 54, or the other way around, 45. So you can get these robots over at lakeshore.com. Thanks for watching. Good deals on toys.